Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and immediately creating the webhook. You need Manage Webhooks or Manage Channel Access, so check that first. Once confirmed, open the channel settings, go to Integrations, and choose Create Webhook, name it clearly for later. After creation, copy the webhook URL. This is the only secret token you'll use to send messages. Make sure to save it securely because anyone with that URL can post to the channel. Now you're ready to send your first payload. Now build the JSON payload and send it via post to the webhook URL. Use content type, application/JSON, and include either a simple content field or an embeds array for richer messages. You can also override username and avatar for each request. Test with curl, postman, or your preferred script, for example. Curl H content type, application/JSON dcontent, hello webhook URL. Make sure to check HTTP status codes and response body so you know whether the request succeeded or hit a format error. Finish by securing and automating your webhook usage. Store the URL in environment variables or a secrets manager, and rotate it immediately if leaked. Delete unused webhooks and integrations. When automating, respect Discord rate limits and handle 429 responses gracefully. If something goes wrong, first check the JSON structure and content type header. Then verify the webhook URL and that the webhook still exists in the right channel with proper permissions. If you see 401 or bad request errors, recreate the webhook and retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.